Sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Pollination. You aware pollination is the mechanism to achieve the objective transfer of pollen grains. Pollen grains seed from the anther to the stigma is known as pollinations. There are three kinds of pollinations depending on the source of pollen. Pollination can be divided in three types. One is autogamy. Auto means self crossing over. In this type, pollination is achieved within the same flower. Transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the same flower, as shown in this figure, is known as autogamy. Is known as autogamy. In a normal flower, which opens and exposes the anthers, the stigma, complete autogamy is rather rare. Autogamy in such flowers require synchrony in the pollen release stigma respectively. Also, anthers and stigma should lie close to each other, so the self-pollination can occur. Some plants such as Viola, its common name is Pansy, Oxalis, Commelia produce the type of flowers. Casmogamous, this Casmogamous in figure C, you find the Casmogamous flowers which are similar to flowers other species, it possess anther and stigma. And Cleistogamous, this Cleistogamous flower, which do not open at all. In such flowers, the anther and the stigma lie enclose each other, and when anthers dehisces in the flower buds, pollen grains come in contact with the stigma to the effect of pollination. Thus, Cleistogamous flowers are invariably autogamous, as there is no chance of cross-pollen landing on the stigma. Cleistogamous flowers produce assured seed set even in the absence of pollination. Now you think, you ponder about what are the advantages and disadvantages of Cleistogamous.